So now that I'm done with my project, I want to export it and publish it. So I need to think of a couple different things. If I'm just using a single video or a standalone image as my product, I'm going to just see one thing in my folder or on my dashboard that I'm going to utilize. If I'm using multiple images that I'm trying to tell a story or bring my user on a journey, that is going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to have to start with what image I'm going to want my user to start with. So I know I'm going to pick this one because this is where I want to start. So I'm going to click on it. And when I get into the image, you notice all my hotspots are all set to go. I'm going to go up to the share button. If you click share, you're going to notice a couple different options. First one is to embed media. So if you're doing an e-portfolio, a website, you could copy the code and put it into one of those products in order to share it out. If you are sharing this with Schoology or with a teacher or another individual, you could copy a link and share that link. And the last one is to publish to social media. As you can see, you could push it out to various forms of media. So again, you need to think about what image or a slide you want to start on. If it's multiple slides, so like this one that I'm on right now, for example, is a tour. So if I'm wanting to start in the lobby of the LLC, I need to make sure I start with this image when I share out my product.